Hello everyone, welcome back to Absolutely Creative. Today my cousin Samy is here to show us something yummy.
Hi friends, this is Samy. Welcome back to Absolutely Creative. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy homemade pancake. This pancake will be made in no time and I bet no mom will say no to it. Friends, don't forget the very important thing, safety! When you're dealing with stove, oven and other things, get the help of grown-ups. Let's have a look at our ingredients. Eggs. They are rich for protein and vitamin D. Banana. They are rich for potassium and protein. Milk. Obviously has calcium for your bones. I'm going to use this cup which can carry 160 grams for measuring my quantity. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 full cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now let's start how to make it. You have to take the baking powder and mix and all-purpose flour and keep it aside. Now I'm beating the eggs to the blender. I have beaten my eggs into the blender. Now I'm going to add the brown sugar. Now I'm going to slice this banana into the blender. Now I'm going to add our last ingredient, milk, into the jar. Now I'm going to blend this. Now I have my mixture. Now what I have to do is I'm gonna add the all-purpose flour and the baking powder into this. Next I'm gonna add this little by little. Now I'm going to mix this very well. I have stirred the ingredients very well and I got this nice textured batter. As you can see, I put the stuff at the number 4. Let it heat, then I'm going to spray it with some oil spray. Seems the pan is ready, so now I'm going to pour my batter. You can see I put this cover on this and you can see some bubbles. When it's like that, it's time to flip it. See, yummy nice pancake. Here are my healthy homemade pancakes. They go really good with maple syrup. Hope you all liked my video. Please press the like button if you like my video and subscribe to our channel Absolutely Creative. You should try this at your home and put some maple syrup. See you all back with more tasty snacks. Thank you and bye for now.